The Robinhood dividends came in last week on Friday, and they're about to get reinvested tomorrow morning. So without further ado, let's get into it. As a recap, this account sits at $4,150.08. We have a buying power of $97.32. So remember, those holdings that we have that have a positive sign, let me get out the way here real quick so you can see the whole picture. Those are the ones that are going to have dividends being reinvested come market open tomorrow. So off the top of your screen, we got Tesla down 27.26%. So I know this sounds horrible, but nonetheless, I think Tesla is a good holding long term. And that's the only reason why I say that is because I believe in Tesla long term. Now, I know that Tesla right now is not the best. It's been horrible over the last couple of weeks. And, we all know Elon is involved in politics now, and that doesn't sit well with the company, with any of his companies. But nonetheless, I think long term, this is a good holding. Now, some of you might ask, well, if you believe in Tesla that much, then why don't you just go buy Tesla instead of Tesla? And that's a good point. See, Tesla is a great company. I believe in it long term, but I am not so much of a growth investor as I am a dividend investor. And I think Tesla is a great offset to that. Nonetheless, when you have something like Tesla, and when you have something, that's very volatile, like cover call ETFs, you have to be ready for that drop. You have to be ready for those negative numbers. Now, I am not interested in the overall price per se, as I am more interested in that dividend. So for now, we're going to hold on to this one, see where it goes. And if we need to let it go, we'll let it go. If not, we'll just keep adding more. Next one down the list is USOI. USOI is down 24.30%. Then we got YMAX. YMAX is down 20.98%. IWMY down 14.49%, RDTE down 13.29%, WDTE down 12.64%, QDTE down 10.66%, XDTE down 575.75%, and SPY it's up 8.23%. Now, for the dividends, come last week, we had YMAX coming in with $9.97. The PVRs, I believe these are the last ones that I'm going to have. This is the last dividend, only came in with 23 cents. We got rid of this holding quite a few weeks back. And so this is the last, I believe this is the last of the dividends we'll see for this one. And USOI came in with $4.93. And here we'll see how these dividends are going to be reinvested come market open tomorrow. RDTE is going to have $2.10. QDTE $2.62, XDTE $2.28, IWMY $5.63, WDTE $1.32, and SPY $2.86. Now, I don't know if these are the worst dividends we've had in this portfolio in a long time, or just since I've opened up this portfolio or this account, but nonetheless, they look pretty bad. But you know what though? This is true testament to what I've been preaching this whole time, right? You got a dollar cost average. You gotta have a plan and stick to it, right? And more, especially if you're gonna get into cover call ETFs, right? These type of investments are not for the faint of heart, right? You're gonna see that massive drop, right? Whenever you get a cover call ETF like this, like for example Tesla, it's going to catch the entirety of that drop of that underlying asset. In this example, Tesla. And when Tesla goes up, it's not going to capture the entirety of that, gain, right? It's not going to do that. It's just the way these funds work. Going into these funds, you have to know that you're going to be able to stomach that, right? Because you're not so much interested in that price appreciation or that growth. You're more interested in that dividend. And quite honestly, that's what we do in this channel, right? I am a dividend investor. I am not so much into growth stocks, and moreover, I am not into, I am not a trader. I don't trade stocks, right? I buy stuff for the long term. I don't trade. I don't do options, right? To me, options and trading, it's, like gambling with an extra step, and I just don't do that. But hey, nonetheless, guys, thank you for watching. Remember, keep dollar cost averaging, keep investing. Till next one, take care.